Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I decorated with white butter icing. You can see how beautiful it is looking. So if today is your first time of watching my video, click the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting alert of my new video. Subscription is free just for you to be getting alert of my new video. If you check this channel, you will know my channel is very loaded for you and many other videos coming which I don't want you to mix out. So make sure you subscribe so that if I post any new video, you will get an alert. To my old subscribers, you're welcome back again. Let's get started. Do you want to know how I made this white butter icing? Check on my channel. I'll also put the link on my description box below so that you can watch the video as well. After trimming your cake, you start crumb coating your cake. Just take your time, and just crumb coating is all about covering the cake, just to cover all the cake particles for now. But the second coating is the one you need to pay more attention to. The second coating, you need to avoid seeing any cake crumbs around your butter icing. My first coating is almost done. Just cover the cake with a little butter icing, just a little, anyhow you want to do it. Just cover it a little with a little butter icing. Make sure you cover every space. Make sure you cover as you can. If you can put it in your fridge for 5 minutes to make the butter icing firm, fine. If you cannot, you can go ahead and do your second coating. Second coating is very, very important. So you need to concentrate more on the second coating than this first coating. Now I'm starting my second coating. You can see how I'm taking the butter icing in a bit larger quantity, applying it little at a time, taking my time. All I'm trying to avoid any cake crumbs on this second coating. I don't want to see cake crumbs around it, so I need to take all my time. Now it's time to make my drippings. I'll be using royal icing, a little of egg white mixed with icing sugar. I'll add my color. That is all I'll be using for this drippings. Try it, you will appreciate this method. I'm using the blue royal icing to write happy birthday on my cake. My royal icing is looking so thick, it's very hard to go down. So make your own a little bit lighter so that it will be very easy to start dripping. If today is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. You can join this lovely family by clicking the subscribe button, click on notification bell, click on all notifications so that if I post any new video, you will get an alert. To my old subscribers, you're welcome back again. Don't forget to like this video. Feel free to share to your friends. Feel free to ask questions. And also feel free to comment. You can see our cake is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to check out other videos on my channel. Don't forget to comment and like. Bye.